Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix R.E.P.O, high ping, multiplayer lag, or any other connectivity problems. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you gotta go to the bottom right of your taskbar. Now right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Okay, in here, set time zone automatically, enable it. Now if you don't have this option, okay, make sure that location services is enabled. Now set time automatically enabled as well. And then after that, gotta scroll down, find sync now, click on it, wait for process to finish. And after that, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down control panel. Okay, click on control panel. And at the top right, you have large icons right here. Make sure that you select it. Okay, now go ahead and find network and sharing center. Now go ahead and click on change adapter settings. Now in here, double click on the network that you are currently using. Double click on it. Now click on properties. Now go to find TCP IPv4 properties. Now copy my settings. Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. After that, go ahead and click on OK. Close, close. And once done, go ahead and test your game and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead over to your command prompt right here in your search bar, type down CMD, run as administrator. Hit on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now go ahead and type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit on enter. Now type down ipconfig space / release. Okay, hit on enter. ipconfig space / renew. Hit on enter. That was pretty fast for you. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay. Now type down net sh space int space IP space reset. Now type down net sh space winsock space reset. Okay. Just like so. Hit on enter. Now you go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix R.E.P.O, high ping, multiplayer lag, or connectivity problems. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.